They're everywhere. They're starting to come out. Every time they see me move over here at the door, they'll fly away. They've been trying to get that breadstick. I hear them. They're just wanting it bad.
You stop.
No, I'm saying they want it bad. They see me move.
Oh.
They saw me move.
I see one coming up
There
there.
it goes. There's one tearing that breadstick apart, and it's right
That piece
there.
of bread over there?
It's right by the door.
Is it?
Yeah. There's two of them coming down, attacking it a while ago. There's a big black one.
I can hear them now. You hear them? They're starting to talk now.
Mm-hmm.
Are they not?
Yeah.
Because I'm listening.
Yeah.
You hear me? You understand what I'm saying? They're starting to talk to each other.
Yeah. Here comes the black one. It just flew away.
I'm sorry.
No, there's another one right up here watching that breadstick. Where's he at? There. He's watching that breadstick down here on the ground.
Yeah,
There he goes.
You not hear them birds?
He's right there. Look at that shit.
Listen to them. Are they not talking?
Yeah, they are. He's tossing the breadstick around. I'm going to stop this video.